ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશન એમાં આપણે ટાઈપ 5 ઓફ એપી કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાવ ટાઈપ 6 એની અંદર ત્રણ સબ ટાઈપ છે, 6A, 6B એન્ડ 6C. સૌથી પહેલા આપણે નોટ જોઈએ. assumption of three numbers in AP, assumption of three numbers in AP A minus D, A plus D. Next, assumption of four numbers in AP, that is A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. Last, assumption of five numbers in AP, that is A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. These are the assumption. Now, most IMP for us in AP, first always solve sum or addition equation. એટલે કે જ્યારે અઝમ્પશન વાળા ટાઈપના સમ આપેલા હોય ત્યારે સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે જે સમ વાળું અથવા તો એડિશન વાળું જે ઇક્વેશન હશે એ આપણે સોલ્વ કરશું. ઓકે, નાવ ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓફ assumption of three numbers. The sum of three numbers in AP is 27, sum of three numbers, and their product is 585. Find the numbers. સૌથી પહેલા તો let's assume that three numbers in AP are, what are the three numbers? So A minus D, A plus D. Now their sum is equal to 27. Sum of these three, that is A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 27. A plus A, that is 3A. This D is minus, this D is plus, so cancel it. 3A is equal to 27, so A is equal to 8, 9. A is equal to 9. Now second, their product is 585. 585. Product of these three, that is A minus D multiplied by A plus D is equal to 585. First of all, these two brackets are multiplying, so A multiplied by A, that is A square, A multiplied by D, that is AD, minus D multiplied by A, that is minus AD, minus D multiplied by D, that is minus D square. Minus D square is equal to 585. AD plus minus cancel, so A square minus D square is equal to 585. Put A is equal to 9, because we here getting A is equal to 9. 9 square minus D square is equal to 585. 9 square 81 minus D square is equal to 585. So, and multiplied by A also, because this is A, multiplied by A also, A multiplied by 9. Now 81 minus D square, 585 divided by 9, 585 divided by 9, that is 65. 81 minus d square is equal to 65. 81 minus 65 is equal to d square. So d square is equal to minus 81. D square is equal to 16. This is d square. Now root both side. So d is equal to plus or minus 4. Because minus 4 નું સ્ક્વેર કરીએ તો પણ 16 મળે પ્લસ, અને પ્લસ 4 નો સ્ક્વેર કરીએ તો પણ 16 મળે. એટલે d ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ થશે પ્લસ ઓર માઇનસ 4. a આપણે મળ્યા 9, a ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 9 એન્ડ d ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ પ્લસ ઓર માઇનસ 4. આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે નંબર્સ. નંબર્સ ક્યાં હશે? તો નંબર્સ આર put a is equal to 9 and d is equal to, first of all આપણે put કરશું plus 4. a minus d, a plus d. 9 minus 4, 9, 9 plus 4. 5, 9, 9 plus 4, that is 13. Or put a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 4, because minus 4 પણ હોઈ શકે. Now 9 minus minus 4, 9, 9 plus minus 4, plus minus minus plus 9 plus 4, that is 13, 9 plus minus minus 9 minus 4, that is 5. So these are the our numbers. Now next example number 2. The sum of three numbers in AP is 15 and their product is 80. Let's assume that three numbers are a minus d, a and a plus d. Now sum of it, that is 15, that is a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 15. d plus minus cancel. So 3a is equal to 15. That's why a is equal to 5. a is equal to 5. Their product is equal to 80. So a minus d multiplied by a plus d is equal to 80. a square minus d square is equal to 80, because these two are the factors of a square minus d square. Put a is equal to 5. 5 no square 25, d square is equal to 80. 5 સામેની સાઈડ જશે, ડિવાઇડ થશે 25 minus d square divided by is equal to 80 divided by 5. 80 divided by 5, 16. d square is equal to 25 minus 16. So d square is equal to 9. So d is equal to plus or minus 3. Numbers are put a is equal to 5 and d is equal to first plus 3. So a minus d, a plus d. 5 minus 3, 5 plus 3. 5 minus 3, 2, 5, 8. Same way, put a is equal to 5 and d is equal to minus 3. So 5 minus 3, 5 plus minus 3. Minus minus plus 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus minus minus 5 minus 3, that is 2. So this 2 is our number. Next example number 3. The sum of three number in AP is 24. Let's assume that three numbers are a minus d, a plus d. Now sum of it is 24, that is a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 24, plus d minus d cancel, 3a is equal to 24, so a is equal to 8. Now their sum of their square, so a minus d square plus a square plus a plus d square is equal to 200. This is a minus d whole square, perfect square, so a square minus 2ad, sorry, plus minus 4ad plus this is 2ad plus d square plus a square, this is also perfect square, a square plus 2ad plus d square is equal to 200. A square plus a square plus a square, that is 3a square, 2ad minus 2ad plus cancel, d square plus d square, that is 2d square is equal to 200. So a square, 3a square plus 2d square is equal to 200. Put a is equal to 8, 3 multiplied by 8 square plus 2d square is equal to 200. 3 multiplied by 81 plus 2d square is equal to 200. 81 multiplied by 3, that is 243, plus 2d square is equal to 200. 243 minus 200 is equal to 2d square. 3 multiplied by 81, 243 minus 200, this is 8 square, sorry, this is 8 square, so this is 64. 8 square 64, 64 multiplied by 3, 64 multiplied by 3, that is 192. 2d square is equal to 200 minus 192, 2d square is equal to 8, so d square is equal to 4, so d is equal to plus or minus 2. Put a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 2 in a minus d, a plus d, so 8 minus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 6, 8, 10. Same way, put a is equal to 8 and d is equal to minus 2 in a minus d, a plus d, so 8 minus minus 2, 8, 8 plus minus 2, 10, 8, 6. Now next, assumption of 5 numbers we already discussed. First example, assumption of 5 numbers. The sum of 5 number in AP is 15. Let's assume that 5 numbers are a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. First of all, sum is equal to given 15. Sum of these 5, a minus 2d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 15. 2d plus 2d minus cancel, d plus d minus cancel, 5a is equal to 15, so a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Now sum of their square, is 55. Sum of their square, that is a minus 2d square plus a minus d square plus a square plus d square plus a plus 2d square is equal to 55. Okay. A square minus 4ad plus d square, same way. A square minus 2ad plus d square plus a square plus 2ad plus d square, a square plus 4ad plus d square is equal to 55. 4ad minus 4ad plus cancel, 2ad minus 2ad plus cancel. A square, a square, a square, a square, a square, that is 5a square. Same way, d square, d square, d square, d square, d square, d square, 4d square is equal to 55. Put a is equal to 3. 5 multiplied by 3 square plus 4d square is equal to 55. 3 square is equal to 9. 9 multiplied by 5, that is 45, is equal to 4d square is equal to 55. 4d square is equal to 55 minus 45. 4d square is equal to 10. So d square is equal to 10 by 4. D square is equal to 10 by 4, that is 2.5. D square is equal to 2.5. D is equal to 3 square. 9 multiplied by 5, that is 45 minus 55. Okay. First of all, that is 55. 55 minus 45. Here a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. So d square is equal to 10. Here 2d is given. A d square plus d square, this is 4d square, this is also 4d square. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, that is 10d square. Here 10d square. This is 10. 10d square, 10d square, 10d square. So 10 by 10 is equal to plus or minus 1. This is d. Now numbers are a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 1. A minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. So a, that is 3, 3 minus 2 multiplied by 1, 3 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2 multiplied by 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, that is 2, 3 plus 1, that is 4, 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the numbers. Now next, example number 2. The sum of 5 numbers in AP, 5 numbers. Let's assume that 5 numbers are a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Sum is equal to 30. So a minus 2d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 30. 2d plus 2d minus cancel, d minus d plus cancel. So 5a is equal to 30. So a is equal to 6. Now product of first and fifth number is 20. product of first and fifth number is equal to 20. First number, that is a minus 2d, multiplied by last number, that is a plus 2d, is equal to 20. So a square minus 4d square is equal to 20. Put a is equal to 6. A is equal to 6. 6 square minus 4d square is equal to 20. 6 square 36 minus 20 is equal to 4d square. 16 by 4, that is d square. So d square is equal to 4. So d is equal to plus or minus 2. Put in the number a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. What is a? A is equal to 6 and d is equal to, first of all, 2. 6 minus 2 multiplied by 2, 6 minus 2, 6, 6 plus 2 multiplied by 2, and 6 plus 2, and last 6 plus 2 multiplied by 2. 6 plus 2 and 6 plus 2 multiplied by 2. So 6 minus 4, that is 2. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 6 plus 2, that is 8. 6, 8 and 10. Same way, if d is equal to minus 2, then 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. These are the 5 numbers. Now last, type 6, that is assumption of 4 numbers. First example of it, divide 20 into 4 parts which are in AP. So 4 parts are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. The ratio, એનો sum કેટલો થશે? 20. Sum 20. So a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equal to 20. 3d plus minus cancel, d plus minus cancel, 4a is equal to 20. So a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Now ratio of product of first and fourth part to second and third part. એટલે કે આપણે રેશિયો આપેલો છે પ્રોડક્ટ ઓફ ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ થર્ડ પાર્ટ. ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ a minus 3d, ફોર્થ પાર્ટ a plus 3d. એનો રેશિયો કોની સાથે છે? સેકન્ડ અને થર્ડ પાર્ટ સાથે. a minus d, a plus d. કેટલો આપેલો છે રેશિયો? રેશિયો 2:3. 2:3 એટલે કે 2/3. a minus 9d square upon a minus d square is equal to 2:3. 2/3. Put a is equal to, a આપણે મળેલા છે, a is equal to 5. Now put a is equal to 5. 5 square minus 9d square divided by 5 square minus d square is equal to 2/3. So 25 minus 9d square, 25 minus d square is equal to 2 divided by 3. 3 multiplied by 25 minus 9d square, 2 multiplied by 25 minus d square, 75 minus 21d square, 50 minus 2d square. This is 27. So 75 minus 27d square, 3 અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. સૌથી પહેલા 25 સાથે, પછી 9 સાથે. સેમ વે 2 અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે 25 સાથે, પછી d સાથે. Now 75 minus 50 is equal to 27d square minus d square. 25 is equal to 25 d square. So d square is equal to 1. So d is equal to also plus or minus 1. Numbers are a is equal to 5 and d is equal to 1. A is equal to 5 and d is equal to 1. So a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. 5 minus 3 multiplied by 1, 5 minus 1, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 3 multiplied by 1. 5 minus 3 that is 2, 5 minus 1 that is 4, 5 plus 1 that is 6, 5 plus 3 that is 8. Otherwise, if d is equal to minus 1, then 8, 6, 4, 1. So these are the assumption of 3 numbers, 4 numbers and 5 numbers. Here our type is completed. In next session we will start our next type. Thank you.